Good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade. So firstly, let's start with the QSR space, Burger King. Now, Burger King is looking to take a bite in the Indonesian market. Now, they've submitted a proposal to buy 85% stake in Burger King Indonesia. Now, that is obviously going to help company realize a lot of high growth potential in the Indonesian market. They also have a very young population, and Burger King as a brand does attract a lot of millennials as well. They have a good brand name, so they're well placed to attract the millennial crowd as well. Now, management sees a lot of synergy benefits in technology, capex, product sourcing as well. And overall, currently the enterprise value for Burger King Indonesia is $183 million. Overall, surely this is going to work out well because the rental cost is much cheaper in Indonesia versus compared to India. Gross margins also, they are at lower currently in Indonesia, but now the company is going to be shifting its thrust and focus to give more of the chicken burgers, focus on the chicken mix, because chicken mix does give a higher margin. Currently more concentration is on the beef products, beef burgers, which is around 85% of the portfolio, and that surely impacts the margins because beef is expensive and it's mainly imported as well. So surely Burger King is something we are focusing on as the company is looking to take a bite in the Indonesian market, and Burger King India will be infusing around $40 million for expansion of the network over there as well. Other than that, we do have Airtel today, which is in focus as well. The company has announced the rights issue of around 21,000 crores, and this is at around 535 rupees per share. So surely we are going to keep focus on Airtel and the telecom space as well. Now, Bharti Airtel overall, the promoter group is to participate and will also subscribe to any unsubscribed shares in the right issue as well. Promoter currently holds around 55.86% stake, and that is something that we're going to keep an eye out on as well. Sunil Mittal is also, what we'll be watching out for further is that Sunil Mittal will be having a call tomorrow, so we are going to be watching out for what are the funds being raised for, what is the possible investments of Google. That also we have heard coming in that after 34,000 crores in Jio, Google was looking to invest, is in talks with Airtel. So is that happening is something that we'll be watching out for. But Airtel surely going to be in focus today on the back of right issue announcement as well. We do have Maruti, which is going to be in focus now. ET reports should suggest that Maruti's output may fall further due to the Malaysian lockdown, and this is the third month in the row that we could be seeing that Maruti's production plan is being revised. So surely impact coming in on Maruti Suzuki as well. We do have a Prestige estate which will be in focus after the company has acquired land in Mumbai for around 185 crores. So maybe on the back of this land acquisition, we could see some focus. Lastly, AU Small Finance Bank also in focus after we are seeing a change coming in the chief risk officer as well. Mr. Alok Gupta has resigned due to personal reasons, is what he's saying, which demanded him to relocate to Mumbai. So he had joined in March 2021. Now Deepak Jain will be taking up the job as the new CRO. So surely let's keep an eye out on AU Small Finance Bank, because we're already seeing some pressure coming in due to this talks coming in on Friday, and it was down 6%. But today we'll surely keep an eye out on how they perform in trade. And these are the stocks that you should be keeping on your radar today at 9:15 a.m.